New at 5, a convicted child sex offender who ran away from Douglas County is now back in custody. Prosecutors say 45-year-old Jorge Campos ran off before his day in court on Friday. Our Dan Grossman joins us tonight.
And Dan, it was a team of media as well as viewers who saw this story and law enforcement who were all able to put Campos behind bars.
Yeah, so the only reason that Campos is back in custody is because someone saw our Denver area coverage of this case and then called in when they saw him at a bus stop in southeastern New Mexico. So that is when authorities showed up and they arrested Campos at an Allsup gas station. It is in a tiny town around 20 minutes from the Mexico border. I'll get to the whirlwind of events that led them to Campos in just a second, but I do want to touch on that verdict that you mentioned. Today, District Attorney George Brockler referred to Campos as an animal who deserves to be caged at a press conference in Douglas County. His office prosecuted the case that found Campos repeatedly sexually assaulted his girlfriend's daughter at their home in Castle Rock between 2021 and 2023. He says he thinks Campos was somehow tipped off to the verdict and then ran away before that viewer called this in. Just listen to Brockler's explanation of this 10-hour journey Campos made to get to Mexico when I spoke with him earlier today.
Douglas County Sheriff has a deputy embedded with the U.S. Marshal's office, and these men and women went nuts trying to track this guy down. And I'm talking, they're generating warrants at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. They're trying to track this guy down. And they were in a position when that Good Samaritan finally provided that tip. All that great effort might have turned into nothing except your coverage and a tipster. Combined with all those law enforcement efforts, they were in a position to swoop down and grab this guy up. It was tremendous.
The DA's office says Campos was in the U.S. illegally. We reached out to ICE and they confirmed that, saying he's from Mexico. We also asked for more information regarding his history, but they weren't able to get that to us today. Now, as for that ankle monitor, Brockler said they didn't find out Campos had fled until he didn't show up in court. I reached out to Douglas County Community Justice Services. They're the ones who monitor those devices to get a better idea of their procedures. Brockler told me those devices are not continuously monitored, and he blamed the lack of timely responses at least one of the reasons Campos was able to make it as far as he did. Now, I was also told that the person who could field my request was not in the office to find out more about those ankle monitors. We're going to reach out to them again, provide updates, but so many questions about how this leaked through the cracks, and Campos was able to get only 20 minutes from the Mexico border.
The community and that family that he affected deserves some answers as to how he was able to take that monitor.
The community stepping up to help put him back behind bars as well. All right, Dan, thank you.